नमस्कार, तुसें सारेआं गी आईडीएस दी तरफों डोगरा डायनेस्टी फाउंडेशन दिवस दियां मतियां मुबारकां।
On 17 June 1822, Gulab Singh Ji was anointed as Raja of Jammu at Jiapota, Akhnur by Maharaja Ranjit Singh by applying tilak on his forehead.
Gulab Singh Ji was the only person who joined forces as a foot soldier, raised to commander, followed by Raja of Jammu and then Maharaja of Jammu Kashmir.
He was the most influential personality of 19th century of Indian subcontinent. He was a true soldier and a visionary statesman.
He stretched Indian boundaries up to Himalayas with the help of General Zorawar Singh. He united the different regions of Jammu and Kashmir, including Ladakh, Baltistan and Tibet.
As a military commander, he rendered meritorious services to his master in all his campaigns, especially in Multan, Attock, Kabul, Kandahar, Manerka, Dera, Ghazi Khan, Riyasi, Kishtwar and Kashmir.
At the age of 30, he had every reason to be proud of his achievements. He was Raja of Jammu. His fame as a warrior had reverberated throughout the Punjab.
In 1846, Gulab Singh Ji signed the historic Treaty of Amritsar with the British, thereby marking the beginning of the Dogra rule in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. He also secured the title of Maharaja.
Maharaja Gulab Singh toured his state often. He was relentless in his punishment of corrupt officials.
Maharaja Gulab Singh took over Kashmir Valley. Shawl trade was taxed in many ways. He reduced taxes substantially and the shawl trade began to revive.
He was instrumental in creating J&K Dharmat Trust in 1846 with a donation of rupees 5 lakh for the purpose of maintenance and management of temples.
Jammu as a city of temples was built by Maharaja Gulab Singh. He started to build Sri Raghunath Ji Mandir in Jammu, Chota Kashi at Purmandal and temples at Uttar Baini.
Trade and commerce became safe under his rule. The police and revenue administration was reorganized in the state. The concept of rationing was also introduced by him.
Maharaja Gulab Singh abolished begging and ordered his officials to identify the people who can work as laborers.
Maharaja Gulab Singh was the only Maharaja who handed over his throne to his son before his death.
India owes much to Maharaja Gulab Singh, a visionary and formidable soldier who with his Dogra army extended the frontiers of India to Tibet, China, Russia and Afghanistan.
Jai Duggar,
Jai Jammu Kashmir,
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.